This video explains how to use the notes in DigiFi to record important information and updates about each application. You can find the Notes tab inside any application. The notes allow you to document general comments, such as internal discussions, approval or rejection reasons, or potential fraud concerns. Click Add Note to open the editor, write your message, and save it. Use the text editor to make important information easy to spot and keep your notes clear and organized. If you need to update or delete a note, open the three-dot menu on the right side of the note and select Edit or Delete. Only the user who created the note can do it. For comments related to specific tasks, use the Comments section within the task instead. Thanks for watching the video. Check out other DigiFi user manual articles to learn more about the platform.